Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, great. So now I will have it. So guys, we are walking towards the beach and it's evening 6 o'clock. Sun has just set. गोवा में सनसेट काफ़ी जल्दी होता है. एज सनसेट का टाइम था अराउंड 6:17 एंड इट्स जस्ट 6 एंड सन हैज़ ऑलरेडी सेट. सनसेट नहीं होता एक्चुअली. क्या होता है, ऊपर जो क्लाउड्स होते हैं उसमें डिसअपियर हो जाते हो, मतलब थोड़ा सनसेट के पहले ही. सो नाउ वी आर वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द बीच. वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर पैलोलेम, Sundowner Point and few cafes. The cafes are really awesome and they also want to visit. So Jayashri baby wants to visit the Zest Cafe and I want to visit the Miles. So we'll be going there as well and we have given a task to Bhaiya. So we have to search one more cafe.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
So this is the cafe menu. It goes like this. The Ganpati Bappa, Little World. This is their Insta handle, and you can see the menu. Warm drinks, which includes coffee, black tea, everything. And it has a separate menu for kids, like colorful pancakes. And this is quite like handmade menu card with Indian tradition in it, as you can see. Here they have juices, smoothies, healthy and happiness, bowls, protein bowls, and here they have rice, breads, and on this side all you can see is platters, different platters, and here the maps. So guys, right now we are at Little World Cafe, जो कि है पैलोलेम बीच पे. मतलब पैलोलेम बीच रोड जो है उसके लेफ्ट साइड में, while going towards पैलोलेम बीच, and it's a pure veg and vegetarian cafe. And this cafe has a very good ambience, guys. You should visit over here. And I need to show you something. They have very cool quotes over here. I'll show you. First one is पैसे क्या पेड़ पर उगते हैं. सेकेंड वन इज़ ऑफिस से आते हुए क्या लाऊं. एंड थर्ड वन, आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताना ये क्या लिखा हुआ है. लेट्स सी कितने लोग पढ़ पाते हैं ये. एंड यू कैन सी दे हैव केप्ट शुगर, सम स्पाइसेस, टेबल सॉल्ट. एंड नाउ आई विल शो यू द कैफे. Mr. Masala, and they have very beautiful Shiva statue over here just at the entrance, and toward this we have the entrance, and here is the kind of mocktail bars. The sitting arrangement is beautiful, and you see the cafe, you can see the arrangements over here, and here they are. So guys, ये मैंने फर्स्ट ट्राई कर रहा हूँ स्वीट लाइम सोडा. भैया का ये फेवरेट है. So guys, we ordered Terran platter in which we have pita bread, creamy hummus, homemade falafel, and some salad and french fries. Along with it, we ordered big platter as well, in which there's an eggplant, some herbs, and it's been baked. And also we have mushrooms over here, and this looks quite awesome, quite yummy. And I'm just waiting when I'll shoot this video and I'll jump on this. because it looks delicious and it fits in. So we'll be first having the French fries, and one more thing, there's a tiny dip as well, which I have already tasted because I was like eager to have it, and this looks really yummy. And I'll be dipping this, and trust me guys, it's more awesome than ketchup. You guys should have it at Little World, which is at in Palolem Beach, and the ambience look good. I will show you the ambience again, and we'll be enjoying. And you can see Vikram Bhaiya is also waiting, and he's eager to have it. While let me show you the lady behind the shoot, and she is also eager, and she has ordered it because she has a great cuisine taste, and she is also a great home chef.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we'll be back in Pune, we'll be having some dish made by Bhabhi as well. So guys, this is lime cashew cheesecake dessert which you have ordered at Little World Palolem, and it's quite beautifully decorated by pomegranates and a lemon on its top, and we'll be having it now.
Right.
So guys, cafe owner suggested us something to try after our dinner, and it's iced chai, not iced tea. It's iced chai with some ice in it, milk, tea, and some cream on it. Like after dinner, we are having a tea, and that too iced tea, iced chai. Sorry, and looks quite good. But we are all full. Vikram Bhaiya is already done. Want to try this? Yes. So he's eagerly waiting. He's one for you. So we'll be sharing this one for you. And now we'll have this. I want to capture your expression. Ice chai expression. Looks like a chai? Something different than a normal chai?
Yes, it is.
How's it?
How's it?
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, great. So now I will have it.
My name, grasping into life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.